Hi everyone, Autofill is a feature in web browser that automatically fills the form fields with previously entered information. The information can be addresses, passwords, and credit card data. The autofill entries will depend on the form field's name. It is a great feature for time saving, but your information will be at risk. By disabling the autofill feature, you will have to manually fill the fields, which will be time consuming, but it will keep you safe from risk. In this video, you will learn these steps to enable or disable autofill in Microsoft Edge. Follow these steps. First, open your Microsoft Edge, and click on the three dots, Settings and More button, at the top right corner. Next, select the Settings option in the list, and select the Profiles option in the left pane. Next, click on the Payment Info or Personal Info. These two options will have a toggle for autofill that you can disable or enable.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.